Alright, we're going to go through the tutorial of how to change the sand in your sand filter. First thing you want to do, also it's best to change your sand at the beginning of the spring because the sand will be dry and won't have extra weight from the water if you're changing it at the end of the season or mid-season. The pressure gauge and other pieces are out, so you don't have to worry about any type of pressure that's built up in the sand or in the filter itself. But the first thing you want to do is loosen the clamps on both sides. And one thing I always do is once the clamps are off, I always take the pieces and put them together. And then, as you see, I dropped one on the ground, which shouldn't be surprising. But essentially, what I do is I take one of the screws and I put the bolt onto it. That way you can't lose it. So now you can see that the bolts are on there, so you don't have to worry about losing it during the process. And then the next step is to take off the multi-port, and from there you can see it's a little bit nasty in there, but it's all going to get sucked out and replaced with fresh sand. All right, the next step is to get a good shop vac, because you're going to be sucking some of this. It might clump up, you might have other things that come in, especially if it's wet. But so as you can see, most of the sand is out. We're going to actually take out the laterals, which are right here, and these do come up one by one. And once you have them out, we'll inspect them to make sure there's no cracks or any issues with them, and we will definitely rinse them off just to make it so they're easier to inspect, but that's going to be the next step. So now you can see that the filter has been cleaned out. Sand, it's a little bit more than what's really necessary, because if you just suck the majority out, you should be pretty good. But I like to rinse it out and then do a second round with a shop vac to get all the sand out. Also rinse off the laterals, check them to make sure that there's no cracks or issues with them, because if you put the sand back in and one of your laterals or your center pipe is cracked, you're going to get sand blowing back in your pool, so we don't want that. All right, when you buy a new filter, you'll typically get a cardboard piece that you put over the center pipe, and that essentially keeps the sand from going into the center pipe. You want to have it also centered, hence the word center pipe, so that when you put the multi-port head back on, that it fits without a lot of extra work. Other thing that I like to do, which I find extremely important, is to fill up your filter with water. And you wonder why? Because the water can act as a cushion and adding in the sand. And you definitely want to pour the first couple of bags in slowly, otherwise you really have a good chance of cracking one of the laterals or even a center pipe. So if you ever wonder how much sand your filter takes, typically it's on the label. And for here you can see media required 175 pounds. So once we know that, I got 4 bags since the sand comes in 50-pound bags. but I'm gonna start adding it slowly because we don't want to break anything if you add it too fast. And we'll do this for the first couple bags just to make sure you're putting it in gently. And then once 2 bags or so, you can usually start speeding things up a little bit because the laterals should be covered, especially for this size filter. So I'm going to do this for a little bit and then we'll get right back to you. Alright, so the sand's back in the filter. Put the multi-port back on. By the way, it's much easier. You probably saw how easy that was. I put it on. It's not usually that easy if you have sand trapped either around the standpipe or something just blocking off. So I usually rinse around the outside of the filter and a brief rinse on the inside. The multi-port goes on pretty easily. And the next thing you have to do is put the clamps back on. And as before, you don't have to look for the hardware because it's already there.